Welcome back to my channel, guys. We are on day 6 week and 2 days. That's right, they're 6 weeks and 2 days old today, and that little guy right there at the bottom is pooping. So let me tell you what I feed these guys. Now I actually take the frozen brine shrimp. I let it thaw out in a small little dish. I take a fork and then I take crushed flakes, and I take the flakes and I crush them up, and then I smash it and mix it in really good with the frozen brine shrimp. And then I take them and I put them in like these little capsules, and I freeze them. So that's what I do. I mix frozen brine shrimp with crushed flakes, and then I feed it to these guys like 3 times a day, and I clean their tank once a day. At the end of the day, they get a 25 to 33% water change. I do siphon any leftover food out the bottom of the tank with a turkey baster. But this is what these guys look like at 6 weeks old. Do have them in a 5-gallon tank now with the, I want to say, 50-watt heater and the sponge filter, and I did put them a little decoration in there now that they actually seem to like a lot. And this is what these guys look like. I'm gonna turn, well, I'm gonna wait before I turn my flash off. They actually look just like their dad, which is a Leopoldi angelfish. He's actually kind of yellow at the top with the stripes. I'm going to turn my flash off so that you guys can see what they look like with the flash off. I actually do have some freshly hatched baby brine shrimp in there. I just gave them guys a treat. I was feeding my 9-day-olders, which are in a tank next to them, and so I just wanted to give them a little treat. So that's what you see floating around. Those little bitty particles are freshly hatched baby brine shrimp. You may see them eating on them every now and then. See if I can get these guys to move around. There we go. Turn my flash back on for you. See, they're full. If they thought I was feeding them, they'd be swimming all around. But right now they're full, so they're about nickel size now. That one just ate a brine shrimp. Hey little guys, turn my flash off. Sorry that it's not, the focus isn't as good as it should be for you guys. And I'm trying to get the best focus for you so that you guys can see them really good. They are definitely Leopoldi angelfish. About nickel size now. I couldn't start to tell you the gender of these little guys. The male usually has a hump on his head versus the female doesn't, but with them being so small, it's really hard to tell at this point. But they're really cute and really healthy, and they're eating brine shrimp. That's what you see him doing there, catching baby brine shrimp, eating it. Hey little guy. This is actually the smallest one. Turn my flash on and see what he looks like. Okay guys, thanks again for watching. Just wanted to give you guys a 6-week update of my angelfish babies. The mom is Platinum, the dad is Leopoldi, and they are perfect. Here are my babies. And like always, happy angelfish breeding. And we will see you guys again next time. Happy angelfish breeding. That little guy's still pooping.